Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a new Apple ID online without necessarily having, an iPad, a Mac or anything like that, or an iPhone, for example, right? We're going to do this from Windows and totally online. Now, in order to do this, we need to access, one of different Apple services. We can do it, for example, by going into appletv.com or using music from Apple or using iTunes. The problem with iTunes is that you will need to download the official app from the Microsoft Store, and we don't want to do that. We want to do it totally online. So let's actually go to Apple TV here. Okay, and let's click on it. Now, after you do that, what you need to do is you need to click on Stream Now, or any of these patterns really, and now it's going to take you to this page here, and it's going to say Sign In. So let's just click in here. Now, it says you can sign in if you already have an account or we'll help you create one. So because we don't have one right now, we're just going to type the email that we want to use for ID and we're going to say continue. And now this is going to take us to the process of creating an Apple ID, which I'm going to skip forward. And we're just going to select whatever country we have, which in my case is going to be United States. Now let's agree to term and conditions and let's click on continue. Well, too bad. And now we basically have, an Apple account that we can use with any other service that we like. So that's it. Thank you very much.